Today we got a dumbbell only chest workout. This for all my people with limited equipment. So I started out with a flat press. Here I'm going 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. You really want to control the entirety of this movement. Then we got an incline press. Again, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. I'm not bouncing the weight off my chest. Everything is pretty controlled. Then we got a dumbbell fly. Here I'm going 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This is really going to push a lot of blood into your chest. And then, man, we're going to end with these upright raises, 4 sets of 10. As y'all see, man, this is not super complicated. As always, man, free game.
Run no trip, open his mouth, I hop back in the whip. Listen me down if he switch, Glock with a switch on the back of the blick. She's tryna send me the spits, she started turning when she took a sip. Niggas be
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
Come on, Eddie. Come on. Let's